Hello, this is Kaustubh Ghodke from Pune, India. Today I am going to present the project that I did for CS50 final project. It's a web app based on JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Its name is Bill Splitter, which is an application helping you split expenses among friends. So this application is hosted on uh, Google Firebase, and the database is also Google Firebase, where multiple tables are maintained for groups, users and categories. So the dashboard shows it at a glance how much amount I owe to my friends and the details of how much amount is owed to each friend along with the groups that are not settled. So if I see the friends, this contains the list of all friends that I have added, and clicking on each friend will show up the details where I can see whether the amount is settled or not. If the amount is settled, it's shown 0 here along with grayed out text, and it also shows the groups that the user is part of. So here, since I owe this user this much amount, it's shown in red, and there is a settle button which lets me settle the amount. If another user owes me, this is shown in green, and there is an extra button to remind that user it's a telephone link. So if I'm accessing this from mobile, this will directly open the telephone number that the user has set in this profile. If I have to add a friend, I can click here and a form is shown where I can fill the details and the user is added. If I go to groups, the groups contain various groups which are used to track the expenses. So to take an example, this Hawaii trip group contains 3 friends, and it's the list of the friends is shown here along with the amount that is owed, and activity tracks the expenses that I have added based on the category as well as total amount, who paid that, and how it was split. Based on that, this amount is calculated. Uh, to add the expense, here is another form where the group name is populated, categories are populated. I can add description, amount, who paid the bill, and how it was split. It will show up here afterwards. And based on that, the total debt is calculated and updated across the site. If the friend is not in the list, I can add it here based on this multi-select option. And if I have to add a new friend who is not yet in the system, I can go back to friends page and add it using the form. So, and I can see the total amount always on all the pages as part of an alert. So if since the this is the amount I owe to other users, it's shown in red. If others owe me, it will be shown in green. So thank you for viewing this video. Thanks a lot.